Hi, everyone. It is World Doula Week, and I wanted to take a moment to introduce myself and explain how I support families. So, first off, I'm Kathleen Stern. I am the owner of Boston Area Doulas, and I'm also a postpartum and infant care doula and labor doula. Now, all of that is to say that my focus is on you holistically as a family. And I honor, revere, and support that seismic shift into parenthood and into what we call the fourth trimester, that critical time when our babies are so young. Now, oftentimes when we have a new baby, everyone's focus immediately shifts to that tiny human who's just arrived on the scene. And it makes sense. They're tiny, they're helpless, they're cute. My focus, again, as a postpartum doula, is the entire family. So I make sure that parents are adjusting to life with a new baby first off. I also help your baby transition to life outside the womb. And I also help manage anything that could be getting in the way of a parent's transition or a baby's transition in those first few months and really up until the first year postpartum. So let's talk about how I support parents first. We've got to talk about basic needs. We make sure as doulas that you're getting the rest, the hydration, and really the fuel and nutrition that you need to recover and to be well. I also check in with birthing people in particular to see how you're physically recovering. Oftentimes, the first postpartum visit after you've had a baby is 6 to 8 weeks, where you're going to your doctor and they're seeing how you're doing. 6 to 8 weeks, a lot can happen in that time. So, as a doula, I'm able to check in more frequently and see if there are any questions or people have concerns. I also make sure that I'm supporting parents emotionally. So doulas ask things like, how are you feeling today? How's your head? How's your heart? How can I help you feel more recharged? And because every day is different, your needs might be different. So sometimes a doula can be a listening ear to help process something that's on your mind. And as needed, doulas can also refer their clients to their network of mental health professionals. Doulas also offer educational support to parents before the baby's born and also afterwards. We all know there's a lot of crap out there on the internet. And so, as a doula, we really help parents sift through that noise, answer questions, and really equip you with the skills and strategies that you need to feel informed and also confident with whatever it is in parenthood, whether it's how to feed your baby, bottle feeding, breastfeeding, etc., how to soothe your baby, helping your baby sleep, you transitioning back to work, or even how to support one of your other children with their new sibling who's just arrived. So this education looks like consultations. At Boston Area Doulas, we do consultations that are 1 hour. We also do 3 hour classes on Saturdays around childbirth and labor, birth plans, feeding your baby, caring for your baby. Now, we talked a lot about how we support parents. We also were there for the baby and that really seismic shift to their life outside the womb. So we are an extra set of hands to help hold the baby, feed them, comfort and soothe the baby, even bathe them. Now, lastly, we talk about as doulas how we're helping to manage anything that's getting in the way of parents' transition or the baby's transition to that fourth trimester. So it could be lack of sleep, it could be isolation, challenges feeding your baby, or dishes piling up in the sink, or even a toddler running around. And so my support could be providing a snack to you, making sure that you're able to rest, or as an infant feeding specialist, make sure that you've got the best way to feed your baby and the best tools to do that. And like I said, every day my work is different because your needs are different. So hiring a postpartum doula really is one of the most remarkable things you can do for yourself. I did this with my second child and wish I had with my first. It's a chance to be nurtured before you embark on this lifelong journey of nurturing others. And getting a doula really shows your commitment to self-care and self-preservation. And it means an even better version of you for your family. So if you're interested and if you or yourself, if you or someone you know needs support, I encourage you to check out our website. It's bostonareadoulas.com. And we look forward to supporting you on your journey.